Welcome to Kili Legends YouTube channel. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா agriculture previous year question paper answer with explanation. So first question பார்க்கறப்போ which of the following is monoecious plant? So எது monoecious plant னு கேக்குறான். Monoecious plant னா ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. Pistillate and staminate flowers are present in the same plant or same inflorescence. அதான் monoecious plant. அது எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாத்தீங்கன்னா coconut, castor, maize இதெல்லாம் வரும். Dioecious plant னா ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. Pistillate and staminate flowers are present in the separate plant. It's called dioecious plant. Example pathina date palm, papaya idella dioecious plant. Second question, the suitability of a variety for general cultivation over a wide range of environmental condition is known as stability. Third question, pin pollination is called as anemophily. Pollination through insects, entomophily. Pollination through birds, zoophily. Pollination through water, hydrophily. Fourth question, A into B whole cross with C is called three-way cross. Top cross is nothing but F1 is crossed with open pollinated variety. Fifth question, cotton is a often cross-pollinated crop. Other examples of often cross-pollinated crop is sorghum and red gram. Sixth question, Ranjit is the name of the hybrid variety of maize. So for cotton pakrappo H4. So rice pakrappo core H1. Seventh question, fertilized mature ovule is seed. Eighth question, a method of breeding most commonly used when the desired variation is required to be induced in vegetatively propagated crop is mutation breeding. So desirable variation when mutation breeding, desirable character like insect resistance, pest resistance when backcross method. Ninth question, plants produced from asexual methods are true to type. Tenth question, genetic male sterility is controlled by single recessive gene. Typical example pathina red gram. 11th question, when F1 is crossed with recessive homozygotic parent, the cross is known as test cross. So backcross na onnalla, F1 crossed with any one of the parent is called backcross. 12th question, the most effective method for transfer of oligogenic character is backcross breeding. 13th question, a collection of plasmid clones or pages lysidates containing recombinant DNA is known as genomic library. 14th question, cells that acquire the ability to multiply indefinitely in vitro, especially in plant cell tissues, is known as cell line. 15th question, BT cotton tolerates caterpillars. So BT cotton origin pakrappo India March 2012 introduce பண்றாங்க. அது GEAC கமிட்டி அப்ரூவ் பண்றாங்க. GEAC னா ஒண்ணும் இல்ல, ஜெனடிக் இன்ஜினியரிங் அப்ரூவல் கமிட்டி. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிரான்ஸ்ஜெனிக் கிராப் பார்க்குறப்போ டொபாக்கோ 1987. ஸோ எந்த கிராப் அதிகமாக கல்டிவேட் பண்றாங்கன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சோயாபீன். 16th question, in which of the following crops transgenic varieties are most popular? So obviously cotton and tomato. 17th question, biological fixation of nitrogen is helped by molybdenum. So biological nitrogen fixation பார்க்குறப்போ 5.5 to 7.5 இந்த pH ரொம்ப ஆப்டிமா இருக்கும். 18th question, which one of the following is C4 plant? Maize, sugarcane, amaranthus இதெல்லாம் C4 plant. C3 plant பார்க்குறப்போ rice, wheat இதெல்லாம் C3 plant. Cam plant பார்க்குறப்போ pineapple, acai இதெல்லாம் cam plant. Cam plant பார்க்குறப்போ tomato day timeல closeல இருக்கும், night timeல openல இருக்கும். 19th question, seedless in grapes due to embryo abortion. So typical example pathina Thompson seedless grapes. 20th question, edible banana is triploid. Triploid is nothing but tetraploid crossed with diploid gives triploid. Other examples of triploid is watermelon. 21st question, importance of fruits and vegetables in human diet is primarily because they are good source of vitamins and minerals. So proteins nu பார்க்கறப்போ protein வந்து ribosome synthesis ஆகும். 22nd question, adjustment of individual to their environment by means of special structure or function is called adaptation. 23rd question, the amino acid associated with water stress is proline. So cereals are deficient in lysine, pulses are rich in lysine. 24th question, plant growth regulator used for ripening is ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone. Gibberellic acid promotes internode elongation. Cytokine promotes root growth. Axin promotes shoot growth. 25th question, Vuctalin cauliflower is due to deficiency of molybdenum. So manganese பார்க்குறப்போ sandal spike. Magnesium வந்து intravenous chlorosis typical example. So அதுக்கு example பார்த்தீங்கன்னா rendering of cotton. 26th question. Polyunsaturated fatty acids are rich in sunflower oil. Sunflower oil also rich in linolenic acids. 27th question. National Seed Corporation of India was established in the year of 1963. So key answer தப்பா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 28th question. Any crop variety to be released in Tamil Nadu has to be approved by State Variety Release Committee. 29th question. The process of breaking, softening the seed coat is called scarification. 30th. Certification is not required for breeder seed. 30th question. Gladiolus is propagated by calms. 32nd question. In breeding of cross-planted species leads to increase in homozygosity. 33rd question. Reflection of solar radiation is termed as albedo. 34th question. Genetic tool in hybrid seed production of red gram is GMS. CGMS example பார்த்தீங்கன்னா rice mutation ஒன்றுல sudden heritable changes. So mutation term காயின் பண்ணது யாருன்னா equidivores. 35th question. Tag color of foundation seed is white. So azar blue பார்க்குறப்போ certified seeds, golden yellow for breeder seed. 36th question. At which humidity percentage should the seed grain be stored? 8 to 10%. 37th question. Conversion of organic form of nutrient into inorganic form, mineralization. Conversion of inorganic form of nutrient to organic form is nothing but immobilization. 38th question. ETL level for diamond back moth is 20th larvae per 10 plants. Diamond back moth scientific பார்க்குறப்போ Flutella xylostella, அதோட trap crop பார்க்குறப்போ mustard. So diamond back mothங்கிறது capture one of the important pest. 39th question. At harvest, sugarcane contains maximum amount of sucrose. And the harvest stage total soluble solids should be 16 to 18%. 40th question. Papaya mealybug can be controlled by. So papaya mealybug sign name பார்க்குறப்போ Paracoccus marginatus. So control பண்றது Acidophagous papaya. 47th question. The grubs of coconut rhinoceros beetles are found in manure pits. So coconut rhinoceros beetle ஓட sign name பார்க்குறப்போ Orositis rhinoceros. So coconut other important pest பார்க்குறப்போ red palm beetle, Rhynchophorus ferruginensis. 42nd question. Biode containing urea should be less than 1.5. 43th question. American bollworm can be controlled by applications of NPV along with and pheromone trap. So American bollworm ஓட sign name பார்க்குறப்போ Helicoverpa armigera. 44th question. Case form, rice, gallfly, sorghum, intermittent borer, sugarcane, leaf miner, groundnut. 45th question. Whip white tip disease caused by nematode is found in sorghum, rice. So the scientific name பார்க்குறப்போ Epilincoides besi. 46th question. Leaf blotch of turmeric is caused by Taprina maculans. 47th question. Wilt paste is common in bacterial bait of paddy. So scientific பார்க்குறப்போ Xanthomonas pathovar oraceae. So blast of paddy ங்கிறது Magnaphortiae oraceae. So right test of Lucifer's albugo candida. 48th question. Green ear disease of bacteria is caused by Sclerospora gramicola. So Pericipi graminis ங்கிறது powdery mildew, albugo candida ங்கிறது white rust. 49th. Sigatoka is the problem in banana. 50th question. An important disease infecting chili fruit is anthracnose. So then scientific பார்க்குறப்போ Cultivotrichum capsi. So 51st question பார்க்குறப்போ the major disease of sorghum crop are so grain mold, downy mildew, rust, இது எல்லாமே major pest தான். So downy mildew பார்க்குறப்போ அதோட scientific பார்க்குறப்போ Pernosclerospora sorghii. So அதோட control measure பார்த்தீங்கன்னா spray metalaxyl 6 gram per kg seeds as a seed treatment. So resistant variety பார்க்குறப்போ Co 25, Co 26. So after next month rust பார்க்குறப்போ Puccinia purpurea. So raised pustule both the surface இருக்கும். So இதோட alternate host பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Oxalis Garniculata. So next on the so next பார்க்குறப்ப grind smut, second name பார்க்குறப்ப Spaclothesia sorgi. So இதோட management practice பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தினம் 4 gram per kg of seeds. 52வது question, pungency in onion due to allyl disulfide. So onion இருக்க important pest பார்த்தீங்கன்னா onion thrips. 53, bacterial blight of rice is caused by Xanthomonas veraceae. So Xanthomonas campestris-ங்கிறது citrus canker. So 54வது question, citrus canker bacterial disease. So science name பார்க்குறப்போ Xanthomonas campestris. So recommendation பார்த்தீங்கன்னா spray of copper oxychloride 0.3%. So second, blair blight of potato, it's a fungi disease. So science name பார்க்குறப்போ Phytophthora infestans. So next question, bunchit of banana, so virus disease. Science name பார்க்குறப்போ Pentalonia nigronervosa. So first எங்க ரெக்கார்ட் பண்றாங்கன்னா ஃபிஜில் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்றாங்க, டபுள் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டிஎன்ஏ வைரஸ். ஸோ இதுக்கு வந்து ரெக்கமெண்டேஷன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இன்ஜெக்ஷன் ஆஃப் மோனோக்ரோட்டோபஸ் 1 ml per plant. ஸோ அந்த 1 mlங்கிறது along with 4 ml of water. 55வது question, in India potassium fertilizers are manufactured at none of the above. So because potassium fertilizer நம்ம import from Canada. 56வது question, 41 garlic resistant to thrips. The major approaches in plant disease control are exclusion, eradication and protection. So 58வது question பார்க்குறப்போ San Jo scale, important pest of apple, it's an exotic pest. 59வது question, rice variety resistant to BPH, ADT 45. Storage pests are controlled by fumigation, aluminum phosphate tablets. 61வது question, the most commonly used organic pesticide used to control sucking pest, neem oil. So 62வது question பார்க்குறப்போ the antagonistic fungus used in crop disease management is Trichoderma. 63வது question, an internal feeder for legume seed, pulse beetle. So நான் science name பார்க்குறப்போ Callosobruchus sinensis. அடுத்து பார்க்குறப்போ cigarette beetle, இது internal feeder தான். அதோட science name பார்க்குறப்போ Lasioderma sericorne. So remaining இருக்க Tetraphoid beetle and Capra beetle வந்து external feeder. Capra beetle science name பார்க்குறப்போ Trichoderma granarium. Tetraphoid beetle science name பார்க்குறப்போ Trifolium castaneum. 64வது question, shortening in bendy is due to the deficiency of boron. So nitrogen deficiency mostly occurs in older leaves. 65வது question, aphids are the vectors of banana bunchit of cardamom mosaic and cowpea mosaic. banana bunchit of sign already பார்த்திருக்கோம், Pentalonia nigronervosa. So cardamom mosaic Pentalonia nigronervosa தான். 66வது question, rice to grow virus is transmitted by green leaf hopper nephrotic viruses. So resistant variety பார்க்குறப்போ IR 36, IR 50, white ponni இதெல்லாம் resistant varieties. 67வது question, universal antidote is a mixture of activated charcoal and tannic acid plus MgO. Which one of the following is vector of bendy vein cleaning disease? Whitefly. So 69வது question பார்க்குறப்போ Central Food Technology Institute is located at Mysore. So பெங்களூர்னு பார்க்குறப்போ National Bureau of Insects வந்து பெங்களூர்ல தான் இருக்கு. நியூ டெல்லியில் பார்க்குறப்போ NPPCR இருக்கு 1976ல. NPPCR ஒன்றும் இல்லை, National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. 70வது question, statement synthetic pyrethroids are effective against cotton bollworms. Statement B, synthetic pyrethroids often induce resurgence of whiteflies. Both the statements are true. 71வது question, herbicide recommended for maize, black gram intercropping system, pendimethalin. So atrazine பார்க்கறப்போ maize alone crop systemத்துக்கு வந்து நம்ம atrazine ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணலாம் as a pre-emergent herbicide. So isoproteol பார்க்கறப்போ Pilaris winner in wheat. 22nd question. The volume of spray fluid procured under high volume spray. Option B 300 to 400 liter per acre. 73nd question. Which of the following crop is the maximum consumer of pesticides in Tamil Nadu? Grapes. So அதே field crops பார்க்கறப்போ rice followed by cotton. So 74th question. Pesticide residues can be measured using gas liquid chromatography. 75th question. Flat fan nozzles are exclusively used for spraying of herbicides. So herbicide belonging to the acetamide group is butachlor. So dinitroaniline பார்க்கறப்போ pendimethalin herbicide. 77th question. A bioagent used to control Salvinia molesta, curculent weevil. 78th question. Loranthus partial stem parasite. இது எப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம்னு பார்க்கறப்போ close CLOS. Cங்கிறது so initial இருக்கு பார்க்கறப்போ stem தான். So complete stem parasiteங்கிறது Cuscuta, partialங்கிறது Loranthus, ஓங்கிறது complete root parasiteங்கிறது Orobanchi, partial வந்துட்டு Striga. 79th question. Herbicide recommended for sugarcane crop is atrazine, pendimethalin for pulses. 80th question. Important pre-emergent herbicide used in rice cultivation is butachlor. 81st question. A common herbicide used in sugarcane cultivation is atrazine. 82nd question. Enriched farmyard manure contains FIM as SSP in the ratio of 5:1. 83rd question. The major reasons for global warming is the emission of carbon dioxide, CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, methane. 84th question. Which one of the following factors is responsible for guttation in the plants? Humidity. 85th question. Layer of the atmosphere which is subject to changes in the temperature is called troposphere. Stratosphere is otherwise called as sheet of photochemical reaction. Tropopause troposphere க்கு stratosphere central ஒரு mid point. 86th question. Magnesium is a constituent of chlorophyll. 87th question. Which one of the following instrument is used to measure relative humidity? Wet and dry bulb thermometer. 88th question. Acid soils are characterized by the pH of less than 6. Which of the following pair is correctly matched? Alkali soil, pH 9. 90th question. Average composition of humus includes carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, all the above. 91st question. Arrangement of soil particle is known as soil structure. Relative proportions of clay, silt, sand is called soil texture. 92nd question. Absorption of water by roots in saline soil is affected by osmotic effect. 93rd question. Which one of the following is camp plant? Pineapple, agave. 94th question. Electrical conductivity of saline water should be less than 4 tsm-1. 95th question. Which type of soil is commonly known as hungry and thirsty soil? Red soil. 96th question. Organic matter is abundantly available in clay loam. 97th question. Non-expanding type of clay mineral is Mount Marlet. Mount Marlet எந்த soil இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா black soil. அப்போ red soil பார்க்கறப்போ red soil வந்து கைலோட் இருக்கும். 98th question. Reclamation of sodic soils can be achieved by applying gypsum, green manuring, leaching. இந்த மூணு ப்ராசஸ் மூலமும் sodic soils கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணலாம். 99th question. Carbon sequestration is facilitated by agroforestry. 4th question. Which of the following is not a biomass? Sand. Thank you.